In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right Airtable pricing plan. We'll walk through the pricing page together and translate the plan descriptions into practical guidance so you can confidently match features to your team's needs and budget. First, head to airtable.com in your browser. When the homepage loads, look toward the top right and click your profile icon. In the menu that opens, choose Upgrade. This takes you directly to Airtable's pricing page where you can explore each plan and see which one best fits your situation. Start by clicking on Free. This plan is designed for individuals or very small teams just getting started with Airtable. Think of it as a no-risk way to learn the interface, set up basic bases, and validate your workflows. It's great for personal projects, lightweight lists, and simple trackers where you don't need advanced collaboration controls or administration. If you're experimenting, documenting ideas, or prototyping how your data should be structured, Free will give you a solid foundation without any financial commitment. Next, click on Team. This plan is built for teams creating apps to collaborate on shared workflows. If multiple people need to contribute, review, and update records while keeping everyone aligned with consistent views and basic governance, Team is where collaboration starts to feel smooth. You'll notice more flexibility for building processes, automating handoffs, and keeping stakeholders informed. Choose Team when you've moved beyond solo work and need dependable shared access, repeatable processes, and clearer accountability. Now click on Business. This is aimed at teams and departments that need advanced features and basic administration. If your workflows span multiple bases, require refined permissions, or you need more robust management over how data flows between groups, Business raises the ceiling. It's well suited for established departments standardizing their operations, rolling out cross-functional apps, and enforcing more control over who can see or change sensitive data. If your team reports to leadership and depends on reliable, scalable processes, this tier will feel more future-proof. Finally, click on Enterprise Scale. This plan serves organizations that need to build scalable, flexible apps with powerful governance and administration. It's intended for company-wide rollouts, strict oversight, and rigorous security and compliance needs. If you're coordinating across many teams, require organization-level administration, or expect rapid growth, Enterprise Scale ensures your apps and data stay orderly as complexity increases. As you compare, consider how many collaborators you have, how complex your workflows are, the level of control and oversight you need, and how quickly you expect to grow. With these criteria in mind, the right Airtable plan will become clear.